Hello, in this video we're gonna check the size of Motorola Moto E40 and compare it to my hands. So right here I have a coin just to help you compare the size of my hands. Now I will pick up this device and show you it from all angles. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.